Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. Well, I have this Kirsten pipe that needs to be have a little work done on it. So let's turn around to the workbench and get started. Well, let's take a closer look. Um, Overall, the pipe's in pretty good shape. The bowl, the exterior of the bowl is really nice. The rim has some carbon built up on it, so we'll see if we can get that cleaned. Shouldn't be too bad. There's your, let me zoom in a little bit. There's your Kristen logo, and it is a Model M. The stem, a few tooth marks, not a lot of oxidation. Should clean up nicely. Go back out. This part's the valve, dirty, but and the hole is so you can adjust. Some people turn it to totally cut off the bowl, or you can adjust it a little bit to control how much draft you have. Quite dirty on the inside. So just a little cleaning. We're going to put the body of the pipe on the buffer along with the valve, and we'll see if we can't get it shiny and looking real good, and then we'll see what we need to do about the bowl. Now down in the bowl, you see that screw. That's how the bowl will come off of the body. Let's get a slotted screw in there, screwdriver. Should just come right on off. So now we'll be able to work with it. This is an official Kirsten bowl. You can see it right there. Let's continue disassembly and the valve. Well, usually you use a pipe cleaners to clean out the shanks, and this is called the body actually. So we got to do something a little bit different. This is an applicator for some feed rings leather dye. So what I'm going to do is put some alcohol in there. And we should be able to just run it through that body. A little bit coming off. Most of it's right here where the bowl attaches. I think that's pretty good on the inside. Well, let's see here. Let's see if we get a pipe cleaner to pass. It's a little crooked on the end. I don't know if I'm gonna get it to pass or not. Let me try from this end. And there it is. Not much came off, but we'll continue to clean on this, and I'll do the valve as well, and I'll get back with you. Just taking a alcohol on a paper towel and twisting around it. Get off the first layer or two. And then I'll very gingerly put it on the buffer. Same thing holds true with the valve. Let's see if we can. I think that O-ring will be all right. The stem has an O-ring as well around it. Helps to just seal off the pipe body. See if we can get something out of this stem. Excuse me, the valve. Yeah, it's quite dirty. We'll keep working on that. All right, I'm going to clean up these parts on my buffer. This is a wheel that I've got coated with some Triple E polishing compound. As far as the stem goes, I think I could just sand some of these areas down and it'll be all right. That'll lift what little oxidation is on the stem. I don't think I really need to soak it. A little close. I'm going to have to file on these tooth barks a little bit. We should have plenty of material to work with. No deeper than the tooth marks are. Okay, the stem's all sanded down, so let's put it on the buffer. I'm happy with the stem. It looks much better. Maybe just a little slight dent, but I think it'll pass. Onto the bowl. Well, I can find very little on the outside of this bowl. So I'm going to see how well it cleans up with using the Q-tips and saliva method. May have to use my briar cleaner on it. It's coming off, but it's going to be slow going. I'm going to keep working on it and I'll be back. Well, that is working. It's terribly slow. May go ahead and use some of my briar cleaner on this top rim. Label's getting a little dirty, but before and after briar cleaner. And there's the website. It's really good stuff. Put it on there, let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then scrub it with a soft toothbrush and just some water. Might as well coat the whole bowl so it cleans up evenly, I guess. All right, we'll let that sit for 20 minutes. All right, let's brush this up and see if that rim will come a little cleaner. It's getting some of it, but not all of it. I may try the saliva and Q-tip on what's remaining, or I may have to just soak it again, the cleaner. Let's see what we got here. Well, I'm going to try something else. Or do that again. It didn't quite come off. I don't want to sand it, especially since the rest of the bowl is in such good shape. Alrighty, got some of it. I'm going to repeat it. I'm going to do something a little different this time. Come on out. Stuff is sticky. Lay down a little spot of it and let it work on it that way. I think I got enough there. All right, 20 minutes that way. And here's the bowl. Got most of it off. I'd say good 90% plus. It did lighten the overall bowl. So I am going to apply some tan dye to it. And we'll see how it turns out. This is another one of those applicators. It will just stuff down in there really nice. Holds on to it. So we're going to do that. Really nice looking little bowl. All right. Kind of like that. We'll just put it off to the side to dry, and then we'll buff it up. Well, here's the final result. I think the pipe looks nice. The stem, I'm real happy with it. Turned out real well. It's all cleaned up, ready to go. The bowl on the rim, I think, turned out well. It's a pretty little bowl. I like it. Well, thank you for sharing your time with me today and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.